This is the story of Journey, a little girl who learns that listening isn't just about ears, but about helping, doing what is asked of you, and safety. Journey is 5 years old. She loves coloring, building castles out of blocks, and watching her favorite shows on her iPad. One afternoon, Mommy said,
"Journey, it's time to clean up your toys before dinner now. Someone could trip and get hurt."
"Okay, Mommy." Journey said she would, but she didn't really listen. Blocks, dolls, and puzzle pieces were all over the floor. Mommy walked into the living room with a tray of lemonade and trips. Mommy fell and landed hard. She hurt her toe. Ouch, it was broken. Journey ran over and saw Mommy wincing in pain. Her heart sank. "Mommy, I'm sorry. I didn't listen." Mommy sat with Journey and explained, listening means more than saying okay. We use our whole body. First, when someone is talking to you, look at them. Second, use your ears. And thirdly, stay quiet so you can really hear. I'll remember next time. Journey got up, turned off her iPad, and cleaned every toy one by one. Later that night, Mommy and Journey made a talked more about listening well and made a chart to help her remember the 3 steps. It even had pretty stars and stickers. Now when Mommy or Daddy speak, Journey stops, looks, listens, and keeps quiet while they speak. And that makes everyone feel heard, loved, and safe. Listening shows we care. It helps keep us safe, and it makes us good listeners, just like Journey.